Hey guys, welcome to HighLyfe Kai, coming at you guys with the wave video today. And as you guys can see, this is before I rinse my hair out. When you start, you want to at least rinse it out one time just so it's wet and ready to put shampoo in there, because without it the shampoo will not lather correctly. Basically, how you rinse your hair, get your shampoo, pomegranate and passion fruit strengthening shampoo. As I Am brand is a black owned business, so I would recommend going to them. They have all types of hair care products. Get a little bit in your hand, rub it together, and then apply it to your hair like so. Some people, you could scramble wash it too, which is basically put the shampoo in there like all willy-nilly. But I like to go with the pattern just to make sure it doesn't mess up my pattern, even though my hair is pretty much locked in. But if you're a beginner, you want to do it like this. You want to make sure that you rub the shampoo in, all your products in. Well,
Purchase
rub the shampoo
tracks
in
today.
according to your pattern. If not, you will mess up your pattern. You will mess up your pattern. Just make sure it's evenly applied throughout your hair, and then you want to rinse it out again. Okay, after you rinse it out, you apply more shampoo, pretty much the same thing. Put a little bit in your hand, apply it to your hair. And for me, I like to add conditioner right after that. Pomegranate passion conditioner. Same brand, black owned business as I Am. Go get your hair product.
Today.
Get a little bit, apply it in your hand, and put it in your hair according to your pattern. Next, I like to use my shower brush, and I like to wet it a little bit just to make sure it's not all dry on my hair and stuff. But a shower brush pretty much elongates your curls and untangles them. Pretty much loosens and make it easier for your hair to be manipulated
Purchase
into your
tracks
desired pattern.
today.
As you can see, it's spreading out my hair a little bit. I'm not a professional waver or anything, so don't try to get on me saying I'm doing something wrong or anything like that. This is what I do. This is my technique. This is my washing style. The HighLyfe Kai washing style. But I really enjoyed making this video because I've been wanting to do a wave video since I was a kid, pretty much. Not a kid, but when I first started really getting into waving, I guess. Now I even came up with a whole name and everything. It was a few years ago actually. It wasn't when I was a kid. I think the name was 360 Wave Wizard. Pretty tight, huh?
Purchase your tracks today.
But I think I had made a channel, or I was getting ready to make a channel and the whole thing. But I don't know what happened. Next, I like to use the comb. Pretty much same thing as the shower brush. It elongates and stretches your curls. It untangles them. So this is also good with helping form the connection. Just make sure you comb with your desired pattern also. And I like to use my other shampoo because I don't want to use too much. But for me, I like to add shampoo onto my brush. And this is a hard grain 360 wave process brush. And then I like to apply shampoo, wet it up a little bit, and then pretty much just start brushing my hair, go crazy on it. But the reason why I do that, I don't like dry brushes when I'm washing my hair. And I feel like just with the shampoo and the water, it just makes it that much easier for my hair to be manipulated and stay laid down. But the hard grain brushes, hard bristle brushes are for pretty much when you're wolfing, when your hair is getting longer and you're letting it grow out. But when you wolf, you want to keep your hair maintained, or it could do this thing called over curling, and that can mess up your progress as well. And I'm talking over this right now because, as you can see, I'm listening to music. I like listening to music when I do my hair, when I'm brushing my hair, washing it, or anything like that. So I can't really talk at the same time as making the video. But I wanted to make the video, so I did. Brush with your desired pattern. I know 360, 540, 720, all of that. But me, I just have 360 normal, 360 wave. Still trying to perfect my pattern. I'm not perfect. I'm not a professional waver or anything like that, but I do have waves. I am a waver. Just make sure your hair is all laid down the way it's supposed to, the way you want it to be.
Your tracks today.
Next up, my Torino Pro. It's a medium hard bristle brush. Pretty much you can use it. It hurts your head a lot though if your hair is not long enough. So I would recommend using it when you're wolfing as well. Pretty much the same thing. Apply shampoo, wet it up a little bit, and then brush your hair. Take a lot amount of time, but that's what it's all about. Like, you gotta dedicate some of your own time to this, or your hair will not be the way you want it to be. Next up is my Crown Quality medium bristle brush. Same thing, pretty much. Apply shampoo, wet it up, brush hair. Medium bristle, you can use short hair, long hair, pretty much an everyday type of brush.
Purchase.
But for me, the only reason I'm using all these for the showers is because I have all new brushes. So these are all my old ones, and I don't use them every day like I used to. So now I just use them specifically for the shower. See, my hair's coming along, you guys can see. Make sure you brush with the pattern. I'm still trying to perfect my crown. My crown is a little iffy, you know, and my left side, of course. But next up, 360 wave process brush again. Medium soft fork breaker bristle brush. And fork breaker helps you break forks, which is like the connection. Your wave side to the top, or the side, back, stuff like that. But it helps with that, because you can vertical brush with these brushes also, which won't impede any progress on your hair. It actually helps it because instead of you taking up too much space with the whole entire brush, you just focus on one part with the vertical side, but don't do it too often, because I know it can influence your hair to grow a different type of way and maybe mess up your connection, or it just won't look as good as you want it to.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's vertical brush.
Purchase your tracks today.
Vertical brushing again, like I said, pretty much for the size and the connection.
Purchase your tracks today.
And me, I like to use the hard bristle brush again, especially for my weak sides, which for me is my left. So pretty much just put in extra work on your weak side so that it won't be a weak side anymore. And make sure you only vertical brush with straight bristle brushes, not curved brushes, because a curved brush, the bristles aren't aligned the same way as they are on a straight brush.
Your
So it
tracks
can
today.
mess up your hair pretty much. But as you guys can see, it's not messing with my hair with this type of brush. This is a vertical brush. I mean, you can vertical brush with a straight bristle brush. Next up, my 360 wave process brush. This used to be my go-to brush every day. It's a hard soft. This is the brush that I used to use every day. This was the brush that developed my hair throughout, like, all the phases of waves that I had waves 2 times. Pretty much same thing. Apply shampoo, wet it up, brush your hair with your desired pattern.
Purchase your tracks.
But there's no secrets. There's no. I mean, I don't know any secrets or anything, but for me, I know it's all about brushing. That's what it's all about. You gotta brush. If you don't brush, you're not increasing your progress at all. If you just keep the do-rag on, expecting to get waves like that, it doesn't work. If you just sit up here and apply products without brushing, it's not gonna work either. Brushing is literally the key to waves. If you do not brush, your waves will not look as good as they can. And you could tell the difference between wavers that brush and wavers that act like they're wavers, pretty much. Last but not least, apply put the do-rag on. I have a stocking cap as well, because I'm whooping right now, so I like to give my hair extra lay, extra pressure. Much tie it however you want to. I like to tie it a certain way, and this way, for me, it does not leave like a big line on my forehead from the do-rag or the stocking cap. The way that I tie it, because I don't tie it too tight, but I tie it tight enough to keep my hair compressed and laid down. But let me know how you guys are feeling about this video. This is my first wave video. I've been wanting to do it for a minute, but I really enjoyed it. So of course I'm coming out with more. But comment, like, share, and subscribe to let me know. If you guys want to see more of this.
Purchase your tracks today.
You don't have to line the. You don't have to align the ties, but I like to straighten them out because that also plays into effect of me not having a line on my forehead. And then after you do that, tie it, pull it back, make sure it's all compressed down. You see there's shampoo, a little bit of shampoo comes through my do-rag. that's good though. If it's like that, I mean you have enough shampoo, enough lather in there. Pull it down. Make sure you hold the front too, or else the front will get pulled up as you're pulling the back, which will then pull your hair and hit it, mess it up as well. And me, I like to roll the cape up. I don't like to leave it out really. I like to either put it on top of my head, as you guys will see in another video. But I like to tuck it when I'm doing the do-rag, because then it gives me more compression, more leg, because I'm pushing it through the stocking cap. But pretty much you tie it, and then you let it sit for 15 minutes. But during that entire brush process, that was pretty much 15 minutes right there. So you can go rinse it out right away. But me, I like to take a shower and then let it sit even longer and just rinse it out after that. But just let me know how you guys are feeling about this video. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. HighLyfe Kai. We out.